Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys a very unique sweet potato shrimp fingers. This is a great snack recipe, or you can just have it as a side dish as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Here I have a shrimp, half a pound. You can actually increase or decrease the quantity of the shrimp and the ingredients as per your wish. And I've cut them into a small bite pieces and transfer into a bowl. Here I have a medium-sized sweet potato that I'm going to cut them, slice them just like the way we would cut for the French fries, but we are going to cut them in a thinner strips. We don't want it too thick. As you can see, the strips are not very thin. Since my sweet potato is really long, I'm going to cut them into half. Transfer them into a water in a bowl. In another cup, I'm adding half a cup of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons rice flour. Here I have 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt as needed, 1 teaspoon of any dry herb, oregano or dill, anything you like, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now set this aside until we are ready to prepare the batter. Now I'm transferring the shrimp into a big bowl, and to this I'm adding 1½ cup of potato strips that we cut from the medium potato. Now to this I've added salt and pepper as needed. Mix well and set it aside. Now we are going to combine the dry mixture well. To this I'm going to add very nicely chilled sparkling water or a club soda. Anything would work. If you want to use regular water, that is also fine. Now as you see, the batter consistency should just stick to the spoon, not too thick, not too thin. At this point I'm going to take a spoonful of the potato and the shrimp mixture and just dip it in the batter, and oil is nice and hot. At this point I'm going to transfer this into oil nicely. You can use your hand and start taking a small pieces of both mixture and add them into oil and cook them until it's nicely fried. Now don't worry about them being separated. It won't, since your batter consistency is nice, it won't be separated. So just make sure your batter is nice and good consistency. Now as you can see, it's nicely crispy and done. This is a great recipe. It's so easy. You can put them together in no time. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.